For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Supreme Court dismissed a plea seeking transfer of funds from PM CARES to the National Disaster Relief Fund. A three-judge bench of Justices Ashok Bhushan, R. Subhash Reddy and M. R. Shah delivered the verdict. The decision comes after the Supreme Court observed that the PM CARES Fund is a charitable trust and is different from NDRF. The Apex Court also held that there was no need for a fresh National Disaster Relief Plan for COVID-19. The bench clarified that the centre will be free to transfer funds to NDRF as it deems appropriate. Union IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad hailed the Supreme Court's decision. Ravi Shankar Prasad said the Supreme Court's decision rubbished Congress's allegations of corruption in PM CARES Fund. The IT Minister said 2,000 crore rupees from the PM CARES Fund has been used to provide ventilators in the fight against COVID-19.
पीएम केयर फंड से अब तक 3,100 करोड़ रुपए दिए गए हैं कोरोना की लड़ाई में, जिसमें 2,000 करोड़ सिर्फ वेंटिलेटर के लिए दिए गए कि 50,000 वेंटिलेटर पीएम केयर फंड के द्वारा दिए गए पैसे से उपलब्ध कराए गए हैं.
Prasad said Modi government has not faced a single accusation of corruption.
Transparency is writ large in the PM CARES Fund, both in terms of legal requirement and both in terms of transparent management of funds received on a voluntary basis. इसमें पूरे फंड वॉलंटरी रूप से आते हैं और अभी तक एक भी भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप लगाने की किसी को तथ्यों के साथ हिम्मत नहीं हुई.
He also took a jibe at Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for his allegations against the PM CARES Fund. Ravi Shankar Prasad took a swipe at Rahul Gandhi for being critical of any decision taken by the centre during the pandemic situation. Meanwhile, BJP National President JP Nadda also hailed the Supreme Court's decision.
The verdict by Supreme Court on PM CARES is a resounding blow to the nefarious designs of Rahul Gandhi and his band of rent-a-cause activists. It shows that the truth shines despite the ill intent and malicious efforts of the Congress party and its associates.
JP Nadda in turn slammed the Congress, alleging that the party used citizens' funds from PMNRF for its personal use.
The Gandhi family treated PMNRF as its personal fiefdom for decades and brazenly transferred citizens' hard-earned money from PMNRF to its family trusts. The country very well know that the orchestrated smear campaign against PM CARES is an attempt by the Congress to wash its sins.
Rahul Gandhi has been critical of PM CARES Fund ever since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Recently, PM Modi's office denied information related to PM CARES Fund as it does not fall under RTI.